Okay, so at the meet, I said the front rim was 6.5, but Frankie's clarified it's a 3.5, right?
Right.
3.5 on the front, 15 by 10 on the rear. So unique, so different. Welcome back to Paul DaFox. Today's video is a clarification slash correctional video to some specs that I provided in a previous video. In the Fox Body Heaven video, if you haven't seen that one, I'll link it up here for you guys. I attended a local Fox Body meet and came across a really cool gray four-eyed notch that had some really unique 10 holes that caught my eye. So of course I recorded it, and at the time I didn't speak with the owner himself, so the specs that I got were inaccurate. In that previous video, I mentioned that the front rims were 6.5 inches wide. That's what I was told. When I saw them for myself, I thought they looked a little thin for 6.5, but I didn't think much further of it. I've since spoken with the owner, Frankie, and I've clarified they're only 3.5 inches wide, which makes a lot more sense. They're actually a prototype 10-hole rim. They're the only set in the world that we know of. They're a 3-piece billet center, and that's what the purpose of the video is today. Clarify those specs. We're gonna hear Frankie talk about him himself, and we're gonna have another look at his badass four-eyed notch. Notch.
I love this one. It's beautiful.
Okay, so at the meet, I said the front rim was 6.5, but Frankie's clarified it's a 3.5, right?
Right.
3.5 on the front, 15 by 10 on the rear. So unique, so different. You gotta try to get it this way, so. Look at this car. And these are, Frankie, from what I understand, these are 3-piece?
It's a 3-piece rim.
3-piece rim. You're gonna start producing them?
We are gonna start producing them. We just this was basically the prototype. We it's a billet rim, so the middle section is machined billet aluminum, and then they're bolted together. So we got the first set made. We wanted to put them on a car and take it for some drives and see how it goes and make sure that we're not going to rub anywhere. It's a big rim in the back, and just wanted to make sure it was perfect before we give the go-ahead to start manufacturing a bunch of them.
I can tell you that I got quite a few responses on my video, even with saying it was 6.5.
Yeah.
There's a couple of people that, oh, beautiful rims, beautiful gray four-eye. So yeah, I think you definitely hit the spot with those. So period correct.
Yeah.
To have a skinny 10-hole. Yeah. So unique, right? So there you go. It's awesome car, man. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Awesome. Love this car. All right, to wrap up this video, hope you guys enjoyed it. We got all the correct specs now, but I hope you guys can appreciate that if I do push something out that's inaccurate, I will correct it. That said, I know that Frankie's looking at producing these rims down the road sometime, so if you're interested in them, get a hold of Frankie. I'm gonna pull in his contact info here shortly. And the last little fun fact is that these prototype wheels just made Blue Oval Media's BADAZZ Fox Body Wheels Part 2, so check out that video. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Drop in a like, drop in a comment, share it, smash the subscribe button. You know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.